Imagine this, you're on the go, juggling a million things. You need to make a quick call, but don't want to be tied down to your desk. What do? You've probably heard of RingCentral, the popular cloud-based communication platform. But can you use it without downloading any software? Let's dive into that. In today's digital age, we're constantly on the move. Our phones have become our mini offices, allowing us to work, communicate, and stay connected from anywhere. So, it makes sense that we'd want our communication tools to be as flexible as our lifestyles. The short answer: yes, you can. RingCentral offers a variety of features that can be accessed directly from your web browser. This means you don't have to worry about downloading and installing any apps on your device. Key features accessible without downloading. Making and receiving calls. One of the most basic yet essential features of RingCentral is the ability to make and receive calls. You can do this directly from your web browser, whether you're using a computer or a mobile device. Messaging. Need to send a quick message to a colleague or client. RingCentral's messaging feature allows you to do just that, right from your browser. You can send and receive text messages, as well as share files. Video conferencing. RingCentral also offers video conferencing capabilities. This means you can hold meetings with colleagues or clients without having to download any additional software. Integration with other apps. RingCentral integrates seamlessly with other popular business apps, such as Microsoft Office 365 and Google Workspace. This means you can access your RingCentral contacts and messages directly from these apps. How to access RingCentral without downloading. Visit the RingCentral website. The first step is to visit the RingCentral website. Sign in or create an account. If you already have a RingCentral account, you can sign in. If not, you can create a new account. Access the web app. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to access the RingCentral web app. This app provides access to all of the features mentioned above. Benefits of using RingCentral without downloading. Convenience. Using RingCentral without downloading is incredibly convenient. You can access the platform from any device with a web browser. Flexibility. You're not tied down to a specific device or operating system. Security. RingCentral's web app is highly secure, so you can be confident that your data is safe. Additional considerations. While using RingCentral without downloading is a great option, there are a few things to keep in mind. Internet connection. You'll need a stable internet connection to use RingCentral's web app. Browser compatibility. Make sure you're using a compatible web browser. RingCentral recommends using the latest versions of Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. Feature limitations. Some advanced features may require you to download the RingCentral app. However, most of the core features can be accessed directly from your browser. So, can you use RingCentral without downloading? Absolutely. RingCentral offers a variety of features that can be accessed directly from your web browser. This makes it a convenient and flexible option for businesses and individuals who need to stay connected on the go. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about RingCentral, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time.